United Whiskey 5 Yankee. United Whiskey 5 Yankee.
Hey friends, this is Paul Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is a short update. The Xiegu X6200, very famous and well-known radio from my videos. Today I'm going to show you a little extension update of this radio, and as you know, the Xiegu 6200 is completely HF radio. It does also the airband for receive only, but it doesn't work on 2 meter or 70 centimeter bands. And today I would like to show you how you can actually extend the receiver in this radio up to 1 gigahertz. So let's do it. So this is the Xiegu WR12. This is the wideband VHF UHF receiver. You can see a range of this receiver from 54 megahertz up to 1000 megahertz. You can see that it has 2 sockets on one side and USB-C socket on another side. You can see a little bump right beneath this little receiver, and also the LED. LED is the indication if the radio is turned on or not. This is actually receiver only. You cannot transmit on 2 meter, 70 centimeter or in this range. In this little box with the foam inside, you can find the receiver Xiegu WR12 receiver itself, a German and English manual, 2 jumper cables. One is the USB-C to USB-C, second one is SMA to BNC, 2 pretty large screws, and also this hex screwdriver. So let me explain how you can connect this to the Xiegu X6200. First, you need to unscrew these 2 screws with this hex screwdriver. Then remove the Xiegu plate, and you can see this little hole inside. And this hole perfectly match with the bump on the bottom side of the receiver. Place the receiver that the SMA and BNC connectors are on the left side. This little bump should get inside the hole on the radio. You see? Next, we have 2 large screws in the box, and you can fix this receiver. Next, we have the SMA to BNC cable. Connect the SMA connector to receiver output, and the second to the BNC antenna socket of Xiegu 6200. The USB-C to USB-C jumper cable, which should be connected to the receiver and to the host port over here. After you connect the receiver, the radio turns into a VHF mode, and you can see this a blue icon on top, WR12. That means that this receiver has been activated. You see the LED. The radio is ready. Now you need just the VHF antenna connect to the BNC connector. And here we go. We have the signal.
Q contest, Sierra Papa 9, X-ray, Whiskey Lima. X-ray, Oscar Mike 3 Kilo, Delta, X-ray, contest. Q contest, United Whiskey 5, Yankee. United Whiskey 5, Yankee. CQ contest, Hotel Golf 7 Florida, Hotel Golf 7 Florida contest. Oscar Mike 3 Kilo, Delta, X-ray, contest. Oscar Mike.
As it is a wideband receiver, you can actually use all capabilities of this Xiegu X6200. So you can receive a single sideband CW FM on this receiver.
Yankee Papa 2 Delta X-ray, Yankee Papa 2 Delta X-ray, contest. Papa 2 Delta X-ray portable, Yankee Papa 2 Delta X-ray portable.
You have maybe noticed that when I was tuning the radio just turns back to the HF mode. I have no idea why. I didn't do anything. I'm just tuning the radio, and then the radio switched back to the HF mode and then back to the 2-meter band. And also this happened while receiving only, in standby mode like this. So maybe the power source is the problem, which is this host cable or USB-C to USB-C. Maybe something wrong with the power supply of this receiver. No idea. Maybe the problem is firmware in the radio, or maybe the problem with the firmware in this WR12 receiver. But this is the only bug I found on it. It receives very well. You can see that also sensitivity is pretty good. I heard DX stations from Romania here on VHF during the contest. So I think, yeah, it's working good receiver. And also, I think the best benefit is that I have spectrum scope on 2 meters and also all bands, CW, single sideband, and also FM modulation I can receive on this combo. And keep in mind that this is the only HF radio. I think that's a pretty good idea to use this receiver for X6200. But let me know, what do you think about this extension? Thank you so much for watching this video, and 73.
János nevű 97-es, Károly Róbert. United Whiskey 5, Yankee. United Whiskey 5, Yankee.